So, scholars, at Isomo, one of the things that we value a lot is for you to learn through different ways: speaking, writing, and particularly here, it's videos. And today we are going to talk about how to interact with videos. The reason why we value learning through videos is because when you watch videos, it is not just about having fun, though that's a big bonus. It actually helps you get better at talking and understanding others. You get to hear how words are supposed to sound, and that helps you say them just right. There is more. Videos often have people from all over the world talking in different ways. So you are not just learning words, you are learning how to understand everyone, no matter their accent. Learning and having fun all in one. The most common video sources you will find in your assignment are the TED Talks, which are speeches that people make and about different topics in the world, and you will get to learn from these. They are actually my favorites. And then you have Khan Academy, which is a source for you to grow your grammar. They have fun, interactive videos addressing different grammar topics. So scholars, here are the videos that you will be having in your assignments. We are using an example of activity 1, and here we have a video that you will find on Canvas. So to access it, you can come and click on it. There is an option to watch it on Canvas, or you can even click so that you will watch it in YouTube. To watch it on YouTube, you click on the YouTube option that is here, and it directly takes you to your YouTube. But if we are watching through Canvas, which are the same tools that are actually on YouTube too, here it is play, so you can play the video and it starts, or you can pause it. This is the volume option to adjust volume from YouTube, but you can also adjust it on your computers. And then this option, the CC, is we call it caption, or as many people know it, it is the subtitles. For subtitles, these are words that we see coming here. So you see, as he's talking, the words are changing here. So those are what we call subtitles. This can help you if probably you don't understand the accent. So the words that are pronounced, you will get to see them down. And here we have settings. We have the playback normal, which is the playback speed is the speed at which you are watching a video. So normal is usually 1.0. And when you go below it, which is 0.75, 0.5, and 0.25, then you are going on a very low speed. It's like talking very slowly, like the way I'm talking, okay? And then when you go above, you are speaking very fast, like the way I'm trying to talk like now, which is very fast for you to understand. So that is how it works. And then here you have, going back to the tools, those are subtitles, which is English, which is the only subtitle you will need to use since this program will be English based. And then here you have an option to watch full screen, which enlarges the screen, or you can watch on a small screen, like the way we have it here. I guess that is it when you're watching from Canvas, and then from YouTube, it's the same option. As we finish, I want to give you 8 tips to learn more from a video. The first tip is pause and ask yourself questions. More often, mainly in a TED Talk, you will find someone is addressing a topic and you have a question about what he's saying or she's saying. So you can pause and write that question, and then hopefully they will answer it in the video. And if they don't, and probably the video that we gave you requires a reflection essay, you can reflect on that question also in your opinion or more research that you did on the question. Sometimes understanding the video is just very difficult, and that happens to everyone. Accents can be different, or maybe you are just tired and you are losing concentration. So it's better if you replay the video when you did not get the idea so that you can try to understand it again and get the main idea. Third tip is to adapt your listening speed following your learning abilities. Your learning and listening abilities. You will often find that probably a speaker who is American may speak faster, or someone who has a very British accent speaks faster and you're not understanding. And that's very okay. It doesn't make you a bad listener. But all you have to do is adjust the speed. If you remember, I showed you the speed of 0.75, 0.5. You can adjust it to your liking so that you hear everything clearly. And you can write down the main points to get the main idea. Sometimes the speaker can say number one, number two, number three. So it's up to you to write down those main ideas so that you can get what they're saying or the main points that they want to lead on. And then the fifth point is write down new vocabularies to research later. You will often find that you will need to do more research later or because the words are difficult. So if you see a word in the caption and you don't know it, it's okay to write it down and do a research later. And when you replay the video again, you now understand all the words in the video and you can understand the video better. Sometimes the topic is very interesting, so it's up to you after class if you have more time to watch more videos about the topic to understand better and just indulge with the content. And you can also do your own research, which is very encouraged. And then you can summarize the video in your own words. We can give you this as an assignment, but it's also up to you to interact with this video and then summarize what you understand. This will give you an idea, a bigger picture of what you got out of the video. And then after summarizing, discuss with your friends about what you learned to understand their point of view. It's really nice when you talk to your friends and they learned something from the video, and probably what you learned is not what they learned. So sharing those ideas makes you see the video in another perspective that helps you look at it in a bigger picture than you had in mind. That is all. Thank you very much for following, and I hope you have fun watching the videos and learning from them.